You are going to love the 2024 and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: black door handles, perimeter alarm, Inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, compass. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.